the big Wang gang, pretty much. Anyways, guys, here we are at Auto Fitment. Right now we're gonna install the wing for my Camaro. As you can see, it's right over here. Camaro, they're working on it. Getting a ZL1 big wing. What is this, a 350Z? Easy?
Yes, sir.
Oilo. What we're doing? What's up?
I'm gonna remove this one, and then I'm gonna wrap this one to match the color of this.
I see.
I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put in my bumper. I'm gonna put the other one too. And I'm gonna wrap my wing the same color. And that's it.
Oilo, what's your Instagram?
Not an evil.
Alright.
And then my YouTube is Shifty. So
Yeah.
link it below.
Alright, yeah. I'll subscribe to AZ. 350 ain't no joke.
I'll probably take you, right?
What?
Nah, I don't know, dude. I think I might take Camaros because I'm pretty sure I take Challengers. I take Chargers.
I see. We'll test it out ahorita. I think you're gonna beat me because I have a big wing, so it's gonna increase my weight. I know. No, but that shit's heavy. I'm not heavy, but yeah. Anyways, guys, we already took off the cover. We're gonna mount it, the big wing right here. Got it from Extreme Online. We already got the wing off, guys. My stock OEM Camaro wing right here. But yeah, guys, we're gonna mount it, the big wing already here. There's some holes here, by the way.
My head's up here. This thing's tiny. It's fucking tiny. And then they added these decals.
New race car, guys.
So make sure,
Should I get it?
shit here. I don't remember, but it has a Porsche engine. And
Yeah, guys, we're here still at Auto Fitment, and right now we're just checking some exclusive whips that he got working on.
So you have a fully built, hand-built chassis made out of chromoly, built to house a 911 Porsche Turbo S twin turbo car. The motor's built for 1,000 plus horsepower. I think on the safe tune right off the street we're at 600. If we go to the actual track, we're going to be looking at somewhere between 800 to 1,000 depending on road conditions and adjustment for rain, sleet.
Yeah, overall it's badass. Nice introduction.
Oh, and then it was. Did you say it was in SEMA?
No,
It was in SEMA 2015 and 2016.
there. SEMA, guys. But yeah, nice whip. Let's hear it. Holy shit. That is loud. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, I'm still here at Auto Fitment. But yeah, guys, pretty place, good ass place. If you ever need to install your car, any type of truck, wraps, hit up Auto Fitment. They make a great job taking care of your whip. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get a hop on AZ's whip to pick up the
Yes, sir.
That's why they call him Shifley
Yes, sir.
from YouTube. This is incredible.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's right there.
Fuck yeah. That shit looks aggressive.
Go slowly.
So what?
It's crazy. The wing is now complete, guys. I'm part of the big wang gang, I guess.
Hell yeah. I should park. Is there a park in here?
That's crazy. But yeah, guys, the whip is done. So far, I like the wing. It looks so aggressive right now. Anyways, I'm just gonna still wrap this to gloss black finish so we can get it matched up with the Camaro color. Right now it's a Premier black, so it's just basic. But yeah, I'm digging it. Here at the park right now. As you can see, it's already getting sunset, so it's already gonna get nighttime. And I just add some red pinstripes on my wing just to give it a little pop. I'm really going for that red and black look on my Camaro right here. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like and share, comment if you have any questions about my Camaro. By the way, it's a V6. I know it's not a V8, but I still love my V6, and I still work on it, building it as